Hello and welcome to Flo's Kalimba world. In this video, we're going to explore how to create the vibrato effect on your kalimba. It's a very easy effect to create, and the best part is you don't just need a box kalimba or a hollow kalimba like this one, you can even create it with a flat part kalimba. In case you have your own kalimba, do keep it handy so that you can learn to play along with the video. Ready? Let's go. So the first thing you want to do, and the first thing you want to practice before you learn to create the vibrato effect, is moving your thumb upwards and downwards over the front sound hole of the kalimba. Just like this. In order to practice, we're going to use some triads like C, E, and G, G, B, and D in order to create the sound. So use the first method, where you put your thumb over the front sound hole. Let's go with C, E, and G. E, G, and B. G, B, and D. Now on the left hand side, C, D, and F. D, F, and A. And F, A, and C. And the next method involves using the sound holes at the back. These are also vibration holes. The way you use them is you can keep either your forefinger or your middle finger over it, and then you move it up and down when you glide your fingers across the tines. Let's see how that's done. Now to the other side. When you're using the tines on the left hand side, it would be better if you use the sound hole on the left hand side as well. So let's go with C, D, and F. D, F, and A. F, A, and C. And that's the second method. Now the third method is one of my favorites because you just move your kalimba with certain movements to create the sound. One of them is moving the kalimba upwards and downwards. The next one is side to side. And the third is a circular sweeping motion. Let's see how that's done. Let's see that again. This is the upward and downward motion. From side to side. And a sweeping circular movement. And there you have it. 3 really useful ways you can create the vibrato effect on your kalimba. Did you find this video useful? Let me know in the comments below about which is your favorite way to create the vibrato effect on your kalimba. In case you enjoyed this video, do consider giving it a like and do subscribe for more videos on how to use your kalimba or how to learn to play kalimba songs. See you in the next video.